Have you ever wondered why sea lions are often confused with seals? It's a common misconception, but one we're about to clear up. In this video, we'll explore the captivating realm of sea lions, from their distinguishing features to their captivating behaviors. We'll also delve into the threats they face in the wild and the conservation efforts that are currently in place to protect these magnificent creatures. So brace yourself for an exciting journey. Stay tuned as we dive into the fascinating world of sea lions. So how exactly are sea lions different from seals? You may wonder. While these charismatic marine creatures may seem similar at first glance, there are several striking differences that set them apart. Let's start with their physical attributes. Sea lions, belonging to the family Otaridae, are known for their external ear flaps and long flexible necks, giving them a rather lion-like appearance. They have large paddle-like flippers which they use to walk on land. In contrast, seals from the family Phocidae lack these external ear flaps and have shorter, less flexible necks. Their flippers are small, and they move on land by wriggling their bodies in an undulating motion, a behavior that's quite different from the sea lion's terrestrial locomotion. Now let's talk about their behavior. Sea lions are social creatures, often seen in large colonies, basking in the sun or playfully frolicking in the water. They are also known for their loud, distinctive barks, creating quite a cacophony in their colonies. Seals, on the other hand, are more solitary and quiet, preferring their own company over large gatherings. Their vocalizations are more subtle and less frequent than those of sea lions. The habitats of these two species also differ. Sea lions are typically found along the coastlines of the Pacific Ocean, with a preference for rocky and sandy beaches. Seals, however, have a broader range, inhabiting both the Arctic and Antarctic regions. In addition to temperate and tropical waters worldwide, they favor ice floes and remote islands away from terrestrial predators. In terms of diet, both sea lions and seals are carnivorous, feeding primarily on fish and squid. But sea lions, being larger and more aggressive, are known to hunt a wider variety of prey, including octopus and small sharks. Now that we've distinguished sea lions from seals, let's delve deeper into understanding sea lions. They are fascinating and complex creatures, with a wealth of behaviors and adaptations that make them uniquely suited to their marine environments. Join us as we continue to explore the world of sea lions in the next segment. What makes sea lions unique in the animal kingdom? Let's dive into the fascinating physical attributes of these marine mammals. Sea lions, part of the Otaridae family, are known for their size, color, and distinctive features, each playing a crucial role in their survival. Sea lions are robust creatures, with males known as bulls, typically larger than females, referred to as cows. An adult male can grow up to 11 feet long and weigh up to a whopping 800 pounds, while females are usually about 6 feet long and weigh around 220 pounds. This significant size difference between males and females is known as sexual dimorphism, a common trait among pinnipeds. Their bodies are streamlined for efficient swimming, with a torpedo-shaped body and strong paddle-like flippers. The front flippers are larger than the rear ones, enabling them to maneuver skillfully in water and on land. These flippers also help regulate their body temperature, as they can be filled with blood to warm up in cold water or cooled down in hot weather. Sea lions sport a variety of colors, from golden brown to dark brown, which can change based on their wetness or dryness. This coloration helps them blend into their surroundings, providing a fantastic natural camouflage against potential predators. One of the most distinctive features of sea lions is their external ear flaps. Unlike seals, sea lions have small flaps for ears, which is one way to tell them apart. Their whiskers, also known as vibrissae, are another unique trait. These sensitive tactile hairs can detect vibrations in the water, helping them locate food and navigate their way around. Their eyes are well adapted for underwater vision, allowing them to see clearly in dim light, which is crucial for hunting. They also have a layer of fat, called blubber, under their skin, which keeps them warm in frigid waters. These physical traits not only make sea lions unique, but also well adapted to their environment. Ever wondered about the daily life of a sea lion? Sea lions lead a fascinating existence, a blend of life both in the water and on land, embodying a lifestyle that's uniquely theirs. Despite their bulky bodies, they are graceful swimmers, using their strong flippers to glide through the water in search of food, which primarily comprises fish and squid. In fact, they are known to dive to depths of up to 600 feet and can stay underwater for an impressive 10 minutes in a single breath. Feeding, however, is just one aspect. Sea lions are inherently social animals, often seen basking in the sun in large groups, known as colonies, on coastlines and rocky islands. These colonies can range from a few dozen to thousands of sea lions. Their social nature extends to their communication as well. They are quite vocal, using a range of barks, growls, and roars to communicate with each other, whether it's to establish territory or to bond with their pups. Speaking of pups, sea lions have a fascinating breeding cycle. Females usually give birth to a single pup each year, following an 11-month gestational period. Remarkably, within a week of giving birth, the females are ready to mate again. The males, on the other hand, play no part in rearing the pups. Their role is primarily to mate and protect the territory. Interestingly, sea lions are not just social but also playful. They are often seen tossing around pebbles or starfish, engaging in what can only be described as sea lion games. This playfulness extends to their interactions with divers and swimmers, where they are known to approach humans out of curiosity. However, despite their playful demeanor, they are also creatures of habit. They have specific resting spots, known as haul-out sites, where they return to repeatedly for lounging and socializing. These behaviors showcase the social and interactive nature of sea lions. They are not just creatures of habit, but also creatures of community, communication, and playfulness. The life of a sea lion, indeed, is as intriguing as it is delightful. Unfortunately, sea lions face numerous threats. But what are these threats and how can we help? From the sun-soaked beaches to the chilly depths of the ocean, sea lions have made their home. Yet, their existence is marred by a plethora of challenges. Predators are a natural threat, but the most significant dangers come from human activities and the changes we've made to the sea lion's environment. Pollution, for instance, has a devastating impact on sea lion populations. Oil spills can contaminate their habitats, impairing their ability to hunt and causing deadly diseases. Plastic waste, too, poses a serious threat. Sea lions can become entangled in discarded fishing nets or ingest plastic debris, leading to tragic outcomes. Overfishing is another human-induced threat. By depleting fish stocks, we're essentially emptying the sea lion's dinner plate. It's a simple equation. Less food means fewer sea lions. And then there's climate change. As temperatures rise and sea ice melts, the knock-on effects disrupt the delicate balance of marine ecosystems. Changes in water temperature can affect the distribution of fish and other prey, forcing sea lions to travel further and expend more energy for food. But it's not all doom and gloom. There are conservation efforts in place to protect these magnificent creatures. Many organizations, both governmental and non-profit, are working tirelessly to clean up our oceans, enforce sustainable fishing practices, and reduce the impacts of climate change. Rescue and rehabilitation centers play a crucial role in these efforts. They nurse injured or sick sea lions back to health and release them back into the wild. Laws, too, are in place to protect sea lions. In many countries, it's illegal to harm or disturb these animals, a measure that goes a long way in ensuring their survival. Education is another vital component of conservation. By raising awareness about the threats sea lions face and what we can do to help, we're empowering individuals to make a difference. Despite these challenges, efforts are being made to ensure the survival and prosperity of sea lions. So, let's each do our part to ensure that sea lions continue to grace our oceans with their playful antics and undeniable charm. So, what have we learned about sea lions today? We've embarked on a fascinating journey, diving deep into the world of these marine mammals. We started off by distinguishing between sea lions and seals, recalling that sea lions are characterized by their external ear flaps, long flexible necks, and the ability to walk on all fours due to their rotating hip bones. We then explored the unique physical traits of sea lions. Their streamlined bodies, thick blubber layer, and efficient flippers enable them to navigate the vast ocean expanses with ease, while their sensitive whiskers aid in hunting and detecting changes in their environment. Following this, we delved into their behavior and lifestyle. We discovered that sea lions are social animals, gathering in large colonies and communicating through a variety of vocalizations. They are also adept swimmers, spending a significant portion of their lives at sea, diving to impressive depths in search of food. We also shed light on the threats facing sea lions, including habitat loss, pollution, and overfishing, which are sadly leading to a decline in their population. But we also highlighted the conservation efforts being made to protect these creatures and their habitats, underscoring the importance of such initiatives. Sea lions are truly fascinating creatures, aren't they? Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into their world. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of nature.